Welcome to the LSU AgCenter IT Training Series. My name is Tanya. This session is on how to install Live Meeting and Communicator. You either are learning Live Meeting on your own or you plan to attend one of our trainings using Live Meeting. Either way, welcome to the session and let's start. First thing we need to do is you need to log in to the LSU AgCenter intranet. That would be lsuagcenter.net. Then we're going to put a /network. So I'm going to my web browser and I'm going to type in lsuagcenter.net/network. Hit enter. If you have not logged into the network lately, you'll have to log in again with your credentials. I've already logged in, so it just pulls instantly up. On the left-hand side, you're going to see all the networks that you have access to. Here is my Y drive, my personal drive. Here's the IT drive that I have permission to see. The intranet, which I have permission to see, you may not see. And the P drive. So you should at least see the P drive and your Y drive. You're going to click on the P drive. Once this opens, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see Office Communicator 2007, the folder. Click on that, and here are your installation files. So all you need to do is go through each of these files and install it to your computer. It should take about 5 minutes. All you need to do is click on these individual files and start the download process and walk through the steps of the installation. Now see, it's giving me a pop-up saying, are you sure you want to download this? And I'm going to say save it. Yes, I want to download it. And depending on what operating system you're working on, your installation may look a little different. When I installed this using Windows Vista, the installation went a little differently. I'm using Windows XP on this computer. So just follow the procedures for installing the software as it tells you to. It's going to walk you through the steps. It's going to automatically select a folder to put it in by creating a new folder. If you would like to see the release notes, check here. I'm going to leave mine unchecked. Now I would go to the next setup and install that one. Once it's finished downloading, I'm going to open the file and click Run. Just follow the on-screen directions. Click Close, and now I'm going to install the last piece. Pop-up window that says Microsoft Office Communicator was installed. You can look at the online release notes here. Now all of my software is installed and I'm ready to open them for the first time. You're going to close all your windows and go to your Start menu. Go to New Programs. They should be listed as the last things installed. I'm going to click on Communicator and open that window. Now the first time you open Office Communicator, you're going to get a pop-up to the Microsoft Office website, and it's going to give you a tour of the software. You can choose to watch the tour that's popping up on the screen, or you can just close the window and log into Office Communicator. I'm going to just close the window. This is what the Office Communicator screen is going to look like. You're going to log in with your LSU AgCenter email address. And sign in. Username, which is AgCenter/T-Ruffin is mine, and my AgCenter password. To use the AgCenter Office Communicator, you are going to have an LSU AgCenter ID. For the Office Communicator, this is just a way to instant message other people throughout the AgCenter. To add a contact group or an individual, all you have to do is search through the bar at the top. This is connected to our global address book. Anybody that's an LSU AgCenter employee, you should be able to locate. I've already imported the IT support group and the IT department because I work with these people all the time. But if there's a group that I would like to import, then I would just search the global address book. It's as simple as starting to type the first letter of the person's last name. And you see a drop down appears, and it even starts with West Baton Rouge Parish Users, West Carroll Parish Users. I could simply click on this category right here, West Baton Rouge Parish Users, and drag it down to my contact list, and it'll import that entire group into my contact list. It's as simple as that. Then when I want to contact someone, I would simply look in what folder their name's in. The green means that they were available, red means you are not available, and yellow means that you're away. So you can change your settings by clicking on the green button, and you can adjust your availability right here. It's this simple as carrying on a conversation with somewhere, anywhere across the AgCenter, as long as they're set up through Office Communicator. Office Communicator is also tied to a lot of other things as well, and you'll start noticing that in Outlook, you'll even start to notice when you're checking your email in Outlook that you'll see these little red, yellow, green balloons next to people's names in email messages. So it's a real handy tool to install on your computer. You can even start instant messaging people from an email that you've received. If you've decided you don't want to go back and forth with email, you see that they have a little green bubble next to their name, which means they're logged in and they're available. You could just instant message them the answer. Now, if you'd like to create an impromptu live meeting, you would just simply click on somebody and have a conversation with them. And when you have the window open, you can talk back and forth if you'd like to type a message, but to create an instantaneous live meeting, this little icon, send a file icon, drop it down and click share information using live meeting. It shows I'm now connecting to a meeting. It's going to ask for my username and password. So now the live meeting window has opened, and if there were videos going on, I would see them right here. From this window, as the presenter, I can invite other people to attend the meeting by sending an email. A lot of other great features. The main point of this video is to show you where the files are located, which is lsuagcenter.net/network. And they're under the P drive. how to download the files, how to install the files, and how to get set up in Communicator. Communicator is the instant messaging software, but it is kind of the backbone to the live meeting program. Once you have Communicator installed correctly, you can go into live meetings from there. So now I suggest you take a workshop or view one of the live meeting seminars on live meeting or attend a workshop on live meeting. You can always go to our training website by logging into intranet.lsuagcenter.net. You're going to be prompted to log in. You'll log in with AgCenter / your login ID and your password. And on the left-hand side, click on Training and Support. And from this front page, we have information on live meeting and Communicator. You can print these handouts and they'll walk you step by step into creating, starting, and participating in live meeting. Good luck.